Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to revisit one of our most popular topics. What makes a popular pimple popping video? Our November 2014 version of this video had over 15 million views, but thanks to a mandatory age restriction by YouTube, it has lost some steam. So let's improve and revisit that topic 7 years later and see if your tastes have changed. The internet has a lot of popping videos. In fact, this channel has a huge audience. Why is it so popular? And what makes a great popping video? We want to know your opinion. I'll share some of the most popular answers from our previous video. What makes a great pimple pop for you? And leave a comment below. And now, a word about Rest More, my favorite sleep supplement.
Rest More I found has been great for me to fall asleep quickly in a really natural, gentle, mild way. I don't have the same problems that I do with prescription sleep medicine, being groggy the next morning. With Rest More, I'm able to fall asleep fast, stay asleep all night, and then when I wake up the next morning, I have a ton of energy and I'm well rested and ready to take on the day. Highly recommend Rest More. You should go check it out.
Rest More helps you obtain natural sleep without all the side effects of prescription or over-the-counter medication. It's all natural and safe to use every night. So what are you waiting for? Try Rest More today and start getting a full night's sleep.